Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Logitech G502 Hero High Performance Wired Gaming Mouse with 25K of sensors. That means we have 25,600 DPI, RGB, adjustable weights, 11 programmable buttons, an onboard memory and for PC and Mac compatible, in black. Hero Gaming Sensor. This is the next generation Hero mouse sensor. Delivers a precision tracking up to 25,600 dpi with zero smoothing, filtering or acceleration. We have 11 programmable buttons and a dual mode hyperfast scroll wheels. The Logitech Wide Gaming Mouse gives us a full customizable control over our gameplay and adjustable weights. It matches our playing style. A range up to 3.6 gram weights for a personalization, wide and balanced configuration. And we have LIGHTSYNC technology. The Logitech G LIGHTSYNC technology provides a full, customizable RGB lighting that can also synchronize with our gaming. And a mechanical 3-button tensioning, a metal spring tensioning system, and a metal pivot hinges are built into the left and the right computer gaming mouse. Buttons for a crisp, clean click feel with a rapid click feedback. And we have a next-gen sensor, capable of detecting the movement at the sub-micron level. It can track movement less than 1/millionth of a meter with a pinpoint accuracy. That here is world's #1 best-selling gaming gear brand, based on independent agreed sales status in February 19 up to 20. Oh yeah, Logitech is a big brand, a big player on the market. And this here is an favorite high-performance gaming mouse, which delivers more precision function than ever. We have customized the RGB lighting to match our style and environment, or synced it to other Logitech G products. The G502 high-performance gaming mouse features the next generation Hero 25K optical sensor for a maximum tracking accuracy and precision. No matter our gaming style, it is easy to tweak the G502 Hero to match our requirements with a custom profile for our games. Adjustable sensitivity from 200 up to 25,600 dpi, and tunable weight system that allows for tuning and balancing of up to 3.6 gram weights for just the right balance and feel. This is the nice gaming mouse on the market, or a really nice gaming mouse. This is the Logitech G502 Hero. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!